Hey everybody, welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. What are we drawing today, Kimball?
We're drawing Skeletor from Masters of the Universe.
Who's Skeletor?
He's one of the destruction.
Ooh, you have a toy.
It's just like He-Man, but evil.
So he doesn't like He-Man?
Yeah, he doesn't. He tries to fight him.
Uh-oh.
And on the back, it even shows He-Man pushing him into the lava.
Crazy. So are we going to draw this guy?
Yeah.
That sounds kind of cool. Skeletor, an old He-Man villain, right?
Yeah.
Sounds fun. Let's do it. Thanks for joining us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw. And today we're going to draw Skeletor.
All right, everybody. We are going to draw Skeletor from the He-Man cartoon and the toy. This guy right here, Skeletor. He's the evil villain of He-Man. Like I said in one of our drawings before, a fun little toy that we found at Walmart that we wanted to draw. Alright, so let's get our red markers. And we're going to start with the eyes. So, find the middle of your page. I'm going to put a couple of dots right here in the middle. Good job. And right here at the top area, well, kind of middle top, we're going to do a circle. With a highlight. And we're going to color that in red. This is going to be the middle of Skeletor's eyes. We'll do another one over here. Kind of smaller. Okay. Put the red away, grab the black. And we're gonna draw the mean Skeletor eyes right now. So here we go. Follow me. We're gonna go up and over. Up and over. And we're gonna come down and to the point. Here we go. Down. Up to the point. Down, up to the point. Okay. We can actually color this in black if you want. Color around the red.
My man looks like a black widow right now.
Yeah, like a spider?
Yeah.
Because the black widow spider has a red mark on it? Is that what you're saying? Yeah.
And it kind of looks like his eyes of it.
Okay. Next, we're going to draw the nose, and the nose is kind of like a right in between these eyes. Down and color that in black. Good job. Okay, everyone get the yellow. Okay, here we go. Let's get the yellow.
Also, I found a black widow in my bathtub.
You found a black widow? That sounds scary.
Yeah. He picked it up.
I didn't pick up a black
You
widow.
squished it.
Oh, I might have squished it, yeah.
He squished it.
Okay, so we're going to start down here by the nose, and we're going to go up around the eye. Up and around the eye. Same thing over here. Up and around the eye. Okay, good job. This is where we draw Skeletor's scary face. We're going to go down, and we're doing this Funko Pop style, kind of a cartoony style. Alrighty, and then we're going to go down, down. Come across. And that's the top of his kind of skull face. And then below here we're going to draw down, down. This is the bottom of the mouth. We can color this in yellow. We can color all this in yellow, and we'll come back and make the teeth marks in a minute in black. Color around these black marks. So He-Man and Skeletor are always fighting, huh?
Yeah.
He-Man lived in a castle called what? Do you remember? Castle Grayskull.
Yeah. And
And where did Skeletor live? What was his castle called?
Snake Rock.
Snake Mountain. You remembered. Good job. Okay. Let's get our green.
I'm not done yet.
Okay. Good job. Good job, Kimball. We're going to do green on top of the head here. Just connect yellow. And this top area is just going to be green. Why it's green, I'm not really sure. That's just how the Funko Pop style looks. And Skeletor has a green head. He has green under his chin here. This is kind of a more challenging drawing, so if you need to pause or feel free to do so. Okay. I'm going to outline this area in black. Outline the head in black and kind of go in and down. And color in his cheek area with black.
I know He-Man's real name.
What?
Aiden.
Aiden?
Yeah.
That's a cool name. I didn't know that. Like before he turns into He-Man?
Yeah.
His normal name?
Yeah.
You know, the He-Man came out in like 1984 or something like that.
When
I
he
was
was
like
4.
4 years old.
He got
Crazy.
a stunk one. Stunk one.
Yeah,
And it stunk.
it did stink. Okay.
You found that at the store when you were trying to find this.
Okay, so we're going to draw the teeth. Actually, he has two kind of mean marks right there on the green part of his head.
We
So
can
now-
do it like eyebrows.
We're going to draw the teeth, okay? I'm going to draw a line that connects kind of down over to that side. And in the middle, find the middle of the head. We go up and over. And another one to the other side. Up and over.
Mine kind of small.
Up and over.
Well, I think all of my Funko Pop style things are small.
You start them too small.
Yeah.
That's okay. Draw them bigger. Everyone, don't be afraid to draw big. So let's draw the bottom teeth. We're going to match these. So where those teeth are, we're just going to follow and match the top teeth. That make sense? Good job. All right, everybody. That's the hard part. Well, there's more hard part. We're going to draw. Everyone get a purple, because Skeletor has a purple suit. So above on his head, we're going to just draw on top, and we're going to go down, kind of outline Skeletor's head. And connect it. And this can be colored in. Some markers falling off the table, buddy.
I know.
You can do a lot of this coloring and fast forward, but I just want everyone to kind of see what we're doing here. Coloring in Skeletor's hood in purple. Okay? Now, here comes some challenging parts. Skeletor has some designs on his chest armor, so here we go. Wait for Kimball to catch up a little bit. He's doing a good job.
We're gonna find the middle. Nice job, bud. Okay, we'll do our color. We'll save our coloring for fast forward. Okay, everyone do a circle. Kind of on the. Now we're gonna do some bones. Up, up.
Kind of like He-Man's chest part.
Yeah. So I did these lines on the side of the circle, and we're gonna connect these with bones. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright. So this is on his chest armor. Okay. So this bone is gonna connect up to his neck, and this one goes up to his neck over here. And this bone goes down just a little bit, and we'll connect those in a minute. And this bone goes down. Let's make his shoulder. He has kind of this shoulder pad. We'll color that in purple, and another shoulder pad. Okay? Good job. Now we're gonna do his belt. So we're gonna connect this line to that line right there. And this is gonna come down. And he has this armor that comes down to a point, down to a point, down to a point, and up to the belt. Connect it. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna get a different color. So this is gonna be colored in this dark purple. We're gonna get this a light blue. Can you get like a? Yeah, for some reason he has kind of a light purplish blue looking skin. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Okay. So up here, we're gonna draw this. Actually, we're gonna draw his chest muscles. So right here in the corner, we're gonna do a big chest muscle.
I always think he's stronger than He-Man.
And another one right there.
I always think he's stronger than He-Man.
Yeah, he's pretty strong. And this one's gonna connect down to the belt. And this one's gonna connect down to that belt. Okay? Down to the belt right there. Good job. Now we're gonna draw this big arm over here. The shoulder's gonna go out. And this is his bicep, big bicep muscle out. And he's kind of holding his fist out like, I'm gonna get you, He-Man. So he goes, there's another arm. We're gonna draw his fist right here. So this will be his thumb. And a big, round,
You.
yeah, kind of like this big U. He's kind of holding his fist. Now over here, he's gonna be holding another fist. So let's do his shoulder. Go. Big shoulder. Big bicep. And then his arm is gonna be holding this. I'm gonna do that because that's where a sword is gonna come out. And his round hand. And we're gonna connect his hand over here to the body, okay?
Okay.
Like that. What do you think? This is a challenging drawing, huh? You're doing good, it looks awesome. Everyone, if you're having a challenge, don't forget to press pause. It's all good. Let's get some black real quick. Keep that blue handy. He has some black undershorts right here. They connect down. Connect down.
He calls them underwear.
Underwear. So I'm going back to the blue skin color. After you're done. Okay. So here we go. We're going to do the legs. Big, short, muscly legs right there. The knee comes out on that side. Now we're going to do another one over here. Big, muscly knee. We're starting to run out of space. I always do this. I should have started them up higher, huh? That's okay.
I'm gonna have a lot of room.
Me too. Okay. Get your purple again, the same purple as we did, and we're gonna draw his boots. And he's got kind of these claw boots. They're kind of cool, huh? So here we go. We're gonna do over here on his knee, right here. We're gonna go down.
I think he's part dinosaur.
He might be part dinosaur. Up to a point, and down, and down. And these boots kind of facing us, so we're gonna go over, point, over, and up. These are kind of his pointy boots. Now over here, his boots kind of facing to the side. So we're gonna start at his leg and go up. Good job. And down. And over. Up. Pointy toe.
This is kind of like the foot of our Don Mitchell drawing.
Yeah, it is kind of.
It's big.
Okay, and what does he usually hold? Let's do a.
He holds a ram staff.
He has like a ram staff, but I don't even know if we're gonna have enough room. So right here on his hand, we'll go in purple. Down, down, circle. And then right here we'll go up, up, up. Good. We'll do another one up, kind of flared out. And another one flared out. And it's got like this ram, but I'm not sure if that'll be too complex. So maybe we'll just put a circle. And you guys can add to it if you want. All right, so we've got our cool Funko Pop style Skeletor. Should we color this guy?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Everybody, fast forward. We're gonna color the purple chest armor, the belt, the boots, and the staff purple, and then we're gonna color the skin, kind of this bluish color. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy coloring and drawing Skeletor. Here we go, fast forward.